Does the SUD Life Century Gold Plan truly deliver golden security, or is it just a safe but slow growing savings plan? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are you have the flexibility to choose between two plan options like Gold Shore and EduShore. And you have the freedom to decide premium amount, premium payment term and policy term. Guaranteed maturity benefit including accrued guaranteed additions are payable at maturity. And death benefit is structured in three parts, which is EduShore, sum assured on death, monthly income benefit and lump sum benefit. So your tax benefits are also available on the premiums you paid as well as on the maturity proceeds as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, which will differ based on the plan variant you have chosen. And also now let's take a look at the advantages. So you can borrow up to 70% of the surrender value against the policy. You can even enhance coverage by adding riders to the base policy. You have the option to change the premium payment frequency. In the EduShore option, the policy continues even after the policyholder's death, ensuring goal protection. So these are some of the advantages. However, some of the disadvantages are the sum assured is relatively low and may not be sufficient to meet long-term financial needs. So the returns are uncompetitive when compared with other available debt instruments. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis. But if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So here we are going to calculate the internal rate of return based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 10.50 lakhs, a premium payment term of 10 years, a policy term of 20 years, paying an annual premium of 1 lakh. See, he has chosen the Gold Shore option. At maturity, he receives 20 lakhs after 20 years. So the IRR for the cash flow works out to be 4.52% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So while the plan provides guaranteed payouts, the returns are unable to keep pace with inflation. Even a bank fixed deposit offers comparatively better returns along with the added benefit of liquidity. Thus, the IRR analysis makes it clear that this policy is not an effective option for wealth creation over the long-term period. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, which is inflation beating return. So instead of opting for this policy, we are going to explore an alternative strategy in this comparative analysis, where we are going to use the same premium, but instead of investing in a combined policy like this, we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately. So if an individual takes a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose with a sum assured of the same 10.50 lakhs, the annual premium would be just 9,300 rupees. So in comparison, the Century Gold plan required an annual premium of 1 lakh. So this leaves a savings of 90,700 rupees per year, which can be channelized into investments such as PPF or equity mutual funds, depending on one's risk appetite. So PPF requires a minimum contribution of 500 rupees for 15 years. Since the premium paying term here is 10 years, an adjustment is made in the 10th year contribution to ensure the minimum deposit continues for the remaining 5 years. So at maturity, the PPF grows to 26.76 lakhs with an IRR of 6.45%. By investing the saved 90,700 rupees annually into equity mutual funds, the maturity value grows to 55.36 lakhs, which is the pre-tax amount. So after accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax value stands at 49.73 lakhs, translating to an IRR of 10.61%. So this comparison clearly highlights that combining a pure term plan with efficient investments such as PPF or mutual funds not only ensures adequate life cover but also delivers far more superior wealth creation than the SUD policy. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Century Gold plan worth it or not? So this policy highlights two key features: life protection and assured returns on savings. However, despite the guarantee, the returns are not very compelling for long-term investment, especially since your funds remain locked till the policy term ends. The plan offers two options: GoldSure, a standard endowment plan, and EduSure includes an additional premium waiver and other benefits. While these features aim to support financial goals, the plan may still lead to a shortfall as the returns struggle to outpace inflation. For long-term goals, it is wiser to consider investments that can deliver inflation-beating returns. Moreover, combining insurance with investment often fails to achieve the desired outcome, and it also has a high agent commission. A pure term life insurance policy is generally a better choice as it provides higher coverage at affordable premium. The saved premium can then be diversified into growth-oriented investments to build wealth effectively.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.